My name is Lorena and I am the Customer Service Manager at Brompton. We were always interested in providing a video service to our customers to provide a better experience, but with the COVID lockdown, many stores had to close. So we took that opportunity to implement this video service so our customers still can have that in-store experience. We implemented it very quickly with the support of the Emplifi team. The response from customers was really good, they love it, and we decided to keep it. While it's not possible to replicate the experience that the customers get when they visit our Brompton Junction stores or Brompton retailers, I feel this is the closest experience possible for them to replicate that in-store experience. They can speak to our live advisor, they can get their questions answered, and they can also see a demo of the product, and then they can decide to purchase it online or visit one of our Brompton Junction stores or visit a retailer to make the purchase. This service allows our customers to benefit of this in-store experience from the comfort of their own home. This is not a service that is normally available when purchasing online, so the feedback that we receive from customers is very positive. They can join from their own sofa, be live with our advisor, see a demo of the product, and then just purchase it afterwards.